Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Harris County until 5:45. At 5:16, a severe thunderstorm was located near East Houston or near Cloverleaf, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Cloverleaf, Channelview, Barrett, Highlands, Sheldon, Hunterwood, Eastern Houston Ship Channel, East Houston, and Lake Houston. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for east central Harris County until 5:45 this afternoon. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this station for further updates on severe weather conditions.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any